Hey everybody, this is Dr. Nguyen Griggs, and I just want to take a moment to say how much I really enjoyed AJ Harper's Top 3 Book Workshop. I've known AJ for, going on since 2010, 2011. She's been nothing but wonderful, kind, and caring. And if there's anything I can tell you as someone who's a speaker, an aspiring author, is that there are 3 things that really stand out. One, she's very knowledgeable and experienced. She knows what she's talking about, and she won't lead you the wrong way. 2, she both has a great deal of honesty and integrity. Honesty in that she will tell you if something is going to work or not, and she'll give you her honest feedback. She's caring and nice about it, but she's straight to the point. And she has a lot of integrity. She's not out to make sure you're just going to write some schlock and put it out there. She wants you to be your best, give your best, and do something that will really appeal to your ideal readers and your audience. And 3, she really and truly cares about her craft and her authors and the reader. If you combine those 3 things and you realize that this is a great place to be as an aspiring author, she will help you. If you're already an author, she'll take you to the next level. She's helping me. She's very patient. I've made some changes and I'm going through some changes, and she's there for me. So without a doubt, I recommend it. I can't wait to be part of the second class to help out in whatever way I can. And it's a great group of people, beautiful network of aspiring authors and people who want to change the world, one book at a time. Thank you much, my friends. Hope you enjoy it. Dr. Nguyen Griggs. Bye-bye.